Well, hey there, guys. Chet here. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a lead nurture funnel in Brevo so that you can build stronger relationships with new leads and then convert them into loyal customers automatically. But before we completely dive in, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months. You just have to use the link that we put down below in the description. And you'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which walks you through everything you need to know to master the platform step by step. Now, let's get started. First off, log into your Brevo account. On the dashboard, look at that left-hand menu and click on Automations. This section is where you can see all of your existing workflows and also create new ones. To start building your funnel, click the plus create an automation button at the top right corner of your screen. You got it? Great. After clicking, a pop-up window will appear where you can choose between creating a new automation from scratch or using one of Brevo's pre-built templates. For this tutorial, go ahead and scroll through the templates and you'll find one that says welcome message. Select that. This template really is great for creating a lead nurture funnel because it's designed to follow up with new contacts right after they subscribe or sign up. Once you have selected it, click Create Automation. You'll now enter the workflow builder where your automation will take shape. At the top of the screen, you'll see a trigger box labeled Contact Added to List. This means that your funnel will start as soon as a new contact is added to your list. To set it up, click the box and select the contact list where your leads are collected, such as a sign-up form or even a free download form. Once you've selected that list, click Save at the bottom right corner. Now, below the trigger, you'll also see a step labeled Wait 2 days. This step gives your new lead some time before receiving their first email. You can adjust this delay to fit your specific strategy. Click the box and choose how long to wait. It could be 1 day, 2 days, or even just a few weeks, or a few hours rather. After you've set the delay, click Save. Now move to the next step labeled Send an Email. Now this is where your actual nurturing begins. Click the box and a setup panel will open on the left side of your screen. This is where you can either choose a saved template or create a new email using Brevo's drag and drop editor. For the first message in your funnel, choose or create a welcome email. This should thank your lead for signing up, introduce your brand, and tell them what kind of value they can begin to expect from your emails. You can even include a free resource or a discount code for your digital product to build interest early. Once your email content is ready, fill out the subject line and preview text fields. Now, these are what your leads will see in their inbox, so make sure that they sound friendly and they're relevant. Under the sender section, choose your verified email and name so the email looks authentic and recognizable. When everything looks good, click Save. Now, your automation should look like this: Contact Added to List, wait 2 days, send an email, exit. You can stop here for a simple welcome sequence or continue to build a full nurture funnel by adding more steps. For example, after the first email, you can add another wait step followed by another send an email action. This second email could provide valuable content like blog posts, tutorials, or product guides related to your niche. After another delay, you can send a third email promoting your digital product. This email should include clear benefits, testimonials, or even a special offer to encourage conversions. The key is, let's be honest, to provide value first and then introduce your product naturally as the next step. Once your workflow is complete, click Activate Automation in the top right corner. A confirmation window will appear, so click Activate Automation again to turn it on. Now, from this point, your funnel will run automatically. Every time a new lead joins your list, they'll receive your welcome email, followed by your sequence of nurture emails that build trust and guide them toward making a purchase. This approach will save you time while keeping your audience engaged and informed, and it ensures that every lead receives a personalized journey that moves them closer to becoming a customer, even while you're busy running other parts of your business. And that's how you create a lead nurture funnel in Brevo. Now, look, if you want to learn more on how to set up advanced Brevo workflows and maybe automate your entire digital sales process, check the link in the description down below to access our complete Brevo course and get 50% off the starter and business plans for your first 3 months. All right, that's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.